Welcome back. This is Jeevan from Code Android. Today we shall see how to make Firebase authentication using email and password. In this part, we are going to do designing of registration activity and login activity. Now let us begin. Click a Start New Android Studio project, select Empty Activity and name the application as Firebase Authentication. Okay, give finish. Now go to activity main.xml, go to text and remove this constraint layout and add linear layout and add orientation vertical and apply gravity. Remove this text view and add our own text view, match parent and wrap content, and have layout margin as 10 dp and gravity center, and let the text be welcome to Firebase authentication, and the text color be let it be hash f0. Select text bold, text style be bold. We shall also add the text size as 45 dp or let it be around 30 dp. Okay. Now add one more text view, match parent, wrap content, and let the layout gravity be center and the text be sign in here, and let the text appearance be medium and have gravity as center and apply padding around 10 dp and text color be select text color as Android, let it be white, color white. Okay, close the tag. Now we shall make one edit text for entering the email. Press edit text, let it be match parent and wrap content, and layout margin be 10 dp and let the hint be enter your email. and text color be Android white, and let us give padding 10 dp, and it is of the input type, that is email address. Now we shall create one XML file for layout designing. That is, go to resources and click on drawable and click new drawable resources file and name it as layout design. Click OK. Then instead of selector, type shape and type gradient. And let the angle be 45, and the start color, and select end color and go to values and colors and select on the color. Let our color starting color be red. Okay, copy the hexacode of red and place it here with the hash, and go to colors and select the color as yellow and copy that hexacode and place it in end color. Okay, that's come back to main activity.xml and add the layout here, that is by background, add drawable and select layout design. Okay, that's cool. Now design one more layout for edit text. Go to Android resource file and name it as edit text. Click OK, and instead of selector, again shape, then again gradient, angle be 45, and the start color and type end color and close the tag and go to colors and select your desirable color. Okay, copy the hexacode and place it here. Okay, again go to colors and select one more color and copy that hexacode and place it here. And now add the radius for the corners, that is top right radius be 90 dp and top left radius be 10 dp and bottom right radius be 10 dp and bottom left radius be 90 dp. Okay, close the tag and come back to main activity.xml and add the background here. It is Android background is equal to add drawable edit text and add and copy this edit text again and paste. Give the ID as sign, that is let it be email sign in, and here add the ID as email password, and remove the hint and type it as enter your password. Okay. Now we need one button. Let the width be match parent and height be wrap content, and apply layout margin as 10 dp and background be edit text, and the text here be sign in, and text appearance medium. Okay, and text color be white. Okay, that's good. Okay, then close the tag. Add text view, that is width be match parent and height be wrap content, and layout margin be 10 dp and the text be or, and give text appearance, let it be large, and apply gravity center. Okay, then close the tag and come back. We need one more button for sign up. Let it be match parent and wrap content, and text be sign up, and apply the background. Okay, then add appearance as medium, and add the ID as button sign up, and add layout margin as 10 dp. Yeah, that's good. Then close the tag, and also give the color for the text. Let the text color be Android white. Okay, that's cool. Now we have completed our login activity. Now let us create one more activity for registration. Go to new, click on activity, select empty activity and name it as registration activity. Okay, and click on finish. Okay, go to registration.xml and place the same thing what we did in login activity. Okay, first remove that constraint layout and add linear layout and add orientation as vertical and layout gravity center and normal gravity also center. Okay, now paste copy everything from login activity, copy and paste it here. Copy this also. Okay, and add the layout, okay, background as add drawable and add layout design. And instead of sign in, make it as sign up. Come to here and it will be same. Enter your email, enter your password, and instead of sign in, make it as sign up. And again here, sign in. And you can add one more text view, image parent, graph content, and text beam. If you have an account already, and layout margin beam, NDP, and the color beam, text color be Android, and give it as white. Okay, that's finishes our main activity.xml and registration activity.xml UI parts. And we can see that we have built a good UI and for both login and registration activities. Yeah, that's cool. Now let us meet in part 2 of Firebase authentication through email and password. And this is Jeevan from Code Android. Thank you.